Most review videos out there only compare the sticker price from this robot to that robot. Well, guess what? That's the wrong price. Let me break it down for you. So as you can see here, we have Ecovacs. These are the goats. This is the O1000, the A2000, and the A3000. Now, everybody knows that robot lawnmowers save you time. That is a no-brainer. But especially what these Ecovacs does, is that they can also save you money in the long run. In the last couple of years, I've probably tested about 9 of these things. I've done review videos on a few of them. The number one comment on every one of those videos is, well, I'm not spending that much money on a robot lawnmower. By the way, these Ecovacs are actually substantially less money than some of the other ones out there to begin with. Also, these ones can actually save you money because of one hidden little feature right here that takes the value down of the other ones that don't have it. It's what I call a hidden cost on the other ones that Ecovacs takes care of for you. So why is this math wrong? It's because of the costs. First of all, there's the time cost. You're spending hours a week. Every Sunday you're going out there and cutting the grass. And then there's the setup costs, setting up the mower to begin with. Boundary wires are still used on some robot lawnmowers. I don't know why, because technology has came way past that. Also setting up your RTK GPS system, all that kind of stuff. Ecovacs doesn't use any of that. This is a really important one, is running costs. With Ecovacs right here, you don't have to be constantly filling them up with costly gasoline. We all know what gasoline is doing these days. Also in the springtime, your gasoline mower doesn't start. You got to take it in for a tune-up, bring it to me. That's going to cost you a lot of money per year. And here is the hidden cost that I was talking about that Ecovacs takes care of for you. It's your weed eater. Now I know that weed eater is a brand name. We're talking about, in the UK they call them strimmers, North America string trimmers. It's built into this one. Check this out. TruEdge trimmer. It's actually got a weed eater built right into the side of it. There's a little line poking out. That's not as long as it should be, but once it starts, it pops out, cuts off right there. Now you got a built-in weed eater, which saves you money. Now you don't have to buy a weed eater. It's built in. And also the same thing I said with your mower. You don't have to buy gasoline and everything and spring tune-ups for your weed eater anymore either. What do all 3 of these models have in common? First of all, no boundary wires, thank goodness. No RTK GPS antenna you have to stick in your yard somewhere. And they all have the built-in integrated weed eater on them. It's called the TruEdge fully automated trimming system. These goats use an AI camera to intelligently distinguish grass from non-grass areas in real time. This enables the robot mower to precisely identify the physical boundaries of grass and make instant decisions on the best trimming strategy, either riding slightly onto the boundary for a true zero-edge cut or cutting alongside it, delivering cleaner lawn edges and less manual intervention. These Ecovacs Goats feature a HoloScope 360-degree Dual-LiDAR navigation system, hands-free setup with one touch. So what does that mean? The HoloScope 360 degrees gets your goat started in 1 minute. It instantly maps your entire yard in a single pass. Forget complex guides and manual configuration. Your mower is ready to work immediately. Dual-LiDAR, I've never seen this on a robot mower before. It's got 2 in there. It uses a 360-degree rotating LiDAR and a 3D TOF LiDAR. It's also complemented by an AI camera on the front. The 360-degree rotation part provides a complete dead zone-free field of view. This technology automatically creates a highly detailed holographic map, ensuring stable and highly accurate navigation across your entire lawn, maintaining 2-centimeter precision, even in the dark. The solid-state 3D TOF LiDAR in the front allows these things to accurately identify obstacles. Obstacle detection. Each one of these has an AI camera on the front of it that detects obstacles. These goats automatically detect over 200 types of obstacles and figure out how to get around them. It trims really closely around objects like, for instance, tree stumps. And get this, it automatically stops the strings when it detects people or animals or other moving obstacles. It's actually a really good peace of mind if you have animals, dogs or cats roaming around your yard. Obviously, all of these are waterproof. Well, you certainly don't want water getting inside of one of these things. Moisture is going to kill that thing slowly. All 3 goats have a waterproof rating of IPX6. That significantly simplifies the cleaning process. You can garden hose it off, you can pressure wash it off. We're talking underneath, on top, everything. These goats will climb up to a 50% grade or a 27-degree slope using a 32-volt system. Let's face it, very few people have a steeper slope than 27 degrees. These mowers have a built-in algorithm in them, what they call efficient path planning. They automatically map the most efficient mowing routes along curves or slopes, narrow stripes, static obstacles. In other words, the mower figures out for itself the fastest, most efficient way to mow your lawn. They handle any kind of scheduling you want. You just put that right in the app. You can have them mow at any time of day for however long you want. You can also multi-area map management right on the app. So this is a really cool feature of these mowers. You can manually map in hard-to-map areas. If you have a closed-in area, you can automatically set it so it just maps it itself, it detects everything. You don't even have to manually map it. And yep, you guessed it, you can also use the remote control on the app to mow manually with a little joystick. What's different about these things, this is where it gets interesting. Battery power, that's what really separates these. That's why they say this is for a small yard, this is for a medium-sized yard, this is for a large yard. It's battery power. Super fast charging. These batteries recharge in right around an hour, so we're talking minimal downtime. The Ecovacs Goat 1000 is equipped with a 5.2 AH battery, the Goat A2000 with a 3 AH battery, and the Goat A3000 has a 7.5 AH battery. It can mow up to 400 square meters an hour. Holy smokes. Lasts way longer for big yards before it has to come back and recharge and then continue. A lot of you are curious how short these things cut or how tall they cut. So the cutting height difference on all three, they are different, but they're really close. The Goat 1000 cuts between 3 and 8 centimeters. For all y'all Americans, that's 1.2 to 3.1 inches. And both the A2000 and the A3000 cut between 3 centimeters and 9 centimeters, or 1.2 to 3.5 inches. It's a simple adjustment on your phone app. Let's compare what you're actually going to feel after owning one of these for 2 seasons. First of all, there's no boundary wires. A lot of people do not know this. I've installed those ones with boundary wires before. Roots grow, break the wire that's buried down. You got to find that. It's maintenance for the boundary wire. Not happening here. That RTK GPS antenna that some of these come with, we just ran into this. I'm not going to mention the name, but the mower that I'm talking about, when it goes underneath some trees we have down there, it loses the signal and stops, or literally stops working. Not happening with this one. The LiDAR does not need a signal. And the robot lawnmowers out there that do not have the integrated weed eater on them, the string trimmer, now you're running 2 machines. You're running this plus pulling your string trimmer out to do the edges. So what's my verdict? Here's my verdict right here. You want to buy the Ecovacs Goat, the 1000, if you have a smaller yard, if you don't want to have to install boundary wires, and you want it at the least cost, the most inexpensive. Buy the A2000 Goat if you have a mid-sized yard, maybe where you live your grass grows really fast and you mow frequently. Buy the A3000 if you have a large property, you want maximum runtime per charge. This one also has the biggest range in height from lowest to highest cutting height. So the cheapest mower isn't the one with the lowest sticker price, it's the one that's going to cost you the least amount of money over the next 5 years. You have to consider the maintenance costs on that, not just the purchase price. So those hidden costs I was talking about, it's the trimmer, the gas, the spring tune-ups. You buy one of these, you just got rid of it all. I hope you like this thing as much as I do. Till next video, everybody. Steve out.